Bring the truck closer to the modulus section. Start the discharge slowly. Vibrator is in. Keep an eye on the slump. Good compaction here. Moving to the next beam. Spread the mortar evenly. Okay, placing the first block now. Hand me the rubber hammer. Check the alignment, make sure it's straight. Check the vertical alignment on this section. It looks good, engineer. Ensure the stirrups are tied correctly before we pour the concrete. Bring the mixer chute over here. Okay, opening the gate now. Watch the flow, keep it steady.
Make sure the glass is spotless.
Removing the last of the masking tape now. The paint looks great.